So if you want to see how to make this cute little body chain, stay tuned. Cue the music.
Ice me out, ice me out, nigga, ice me out, ice me out, ice me out.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Bobo's daughter, and today I have a lovely tutorial for you guys. I am going to show you guys how to make this beautiful rhinestone body chain, and it extends down and it fastens at my waist. So what you will need is a roll of diamond chain with the connectors in the inside, tape measure, pen and paper, tweezers or jewelry pliers if you have them, E6000 glue, scissors, and then you're also going to need about 4 jump rings and 4 lobster clasps. There's 3 measurements that you want to get. You want to take your tape measure and you want to measure your neck. I get 14 for mine. Then you want to measure from about the bottom of your neck to kind of like the small of your waist. So the small of my waist, when you bend to the side, naturally it's like about here. So I get a measurement of about 16. And then from the point of the small of my waist, I'm gonna go and measure around. So I get about 40. So once you got these 3 measurements, you can go write them down. I already did some measurements before the video, so I'm gonna subtract 1 inch from the neck to the small of my waist. So I'm gonna make it 15 instead of 16. Take our tape measure and we're gonna lay it out to 14. And all we're gonna do is we are going to cut and measure our chain. We are gonna cut it. So we're gonna come here, we're gonna cut. There we have our neck piece. So here we have, oh, it fell out my hand. We have the 2 connectors. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to add the connectors, add 2 jump rings, and add 2 lobster clasps to each end of the neck piece. And you just want to set the rhinestone inside. And you're just going to clamp the prongs down over the rhinestone. Take a jump ring. Oh, we only need 1 lobster clasp. I'm sorry, I misspoke. Take the jump ring, open it, put the clasp in on, then hook the necklace on. And close it back. Then all we're gonna do is take the other end and just attach it. You don't want to put a lobster claw on it. So we're going to lay out the 15, measure, once we get that, we cut it. We are gonna take 2 connectors and we are going to attach them to the ends. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the neck piece and we are going to fold it in half. Once we establish that, what we are going to do is we are going to take our E6000. We are going to take this piece, the connector, and we are going to put a dollop of glue on it. So we are going to pick the neck piece up by the middle, by the midpoint. We are going to set that right on top. We are going to carefully lower them both down so that they can dry. We are going to arrange it if we need to. And for the small of my waist, the measurement I got is 40 inches. And I am going to measure out 20 inches because half of 40 is 20. And I am going to measure out 20 inches, but I'm gonna do so twice. So I'm gonna take it, and when it gets to the 20, I'm gonna loop it. I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna loop it. Inches, and then I'm gonna cut that. Measure it and cut it. But actually what you can do now, you can take another clasp and another lobster clasp. You can take 2 jump rings and you can fasten these to each end of the waist piece. I've already shown you guys how to do this. It's pretty self-explanatory. This piece, once again, and you are going to fold it directly in half. And once you establish the midpoint, which for me is going to be like up here, you are going to take the middle piece of the body chain, this little piece right here, and you are going to put a dollop of glue on this. You're going to add your E6000 to that. I'm going to add my E6000 to that, a nice dollop. Now I'm going to take the mid piece. I'm going to lay it right on top, like so. And then I'm going to gently let both pieces down. And to help facilitate in the drying of this, I'm going to set a heavy object on top of it, and I'm going to let it dry for a few hours. And that is how you make your body chain. Welcome back, guys. That's how you make this luxe body chain. And I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to viewing this video. Make sure you follow me on all social media at Bobo's Daughter so you can stay connected. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so you can get updated when I upload new videos. And I just want to say thanks for watching this video. But I basically just have it on with a bodysuit and some leggings, and I have it over. But if I wanted to fasten this and put it under, I could. So that's pretty much all for this look. So thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.